Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a USB-C cyber coil cable. I don't know. I guess this is going to be like something fancy looking, maybe for like Cybertruck-ish looking or something. Who knows? Oh my gosh, it is. Okay, look at the case. It looks kind of Cybertruck-ish looking with that very boxy looking thing. Can't say I'm a huge fan of the Cybertruck, but this cable should be cool. Let's see if I can open it. Might need some scissors or something. Boy, there we go. Okay, so we have this here. Let's open it up, see what we got. What does that say? Before use, test the cable on your device before just using it. Okay, so this is what we get here. And then we have a little adapter here. Okay, so here we go. So it looks like it's a USB-C cable, and look, it's very Cybertruck-ish looking, very that there. So kind of looks like that on both ends. This one here is a right angle, and this one there's a straight, and then it comes with an adapter to connect it up to, it says TEMAI on it. Oh, to connect it to the Lightning. So if you have an old school phone, I have the 16, so I don't use this. But if you had the older ones, you can just plug that in there and have a Lightning connector as well. And then what is this? Let's see, what does this say here? This is a magnetic cable organizer. So let's see what a magnetic cable organizer is. Comes with stickers and then the magnet thing here. So let's just see. So it's got magnets here and here. So you can sticker this onto something. And then I'm going to guess when you have it on your car, you can, is this going to connect up to that? Not sure. Is that side magnet? I guess you can magnet things up. I'm not exactly sure what you would magnet up. But it's got these two strong magnets. These are really strong. I can show you here. When I put them together, they go on really strong. So if you need magnets for something, I guess there's some sort of organizer for cables. Not sure if it's for putting this cable on or what. It doesn't really come with instructions. But these things here aren't magnetic, so it's not going to be for those. So you can use it for something else, or maybe put something metal on it. But this is a nice cable, and it's good. It's nice. It's stretchy, and then it kind of goes back. That's what I like in my car, because then there aren't cables hanging all around, and people can use it in charge, and then when it's done, it recoils. So this is a great little cable. I'm not exactly sure what these ones here are going to be for, but these are little magnets that are cable organizer magnets. So I guess if you have magnetic cable organizer, that's what it looks like. So, but cool stuff. Nice little box. Everything good. And this little Cybertrucky looking box is what you get as well. So very cool. And there's some instructions for it if you need that. Nice little cable. Thumbs up.